today we're going to bring some high quality headphones. If you guys can see the actual quality of it, you can see the built inside has a see-through. You guys can see that. Now it fits very well on any ear. We're going to put it on the test because we do have a microphone here, and we're going to test the quality of it, how good they are. But first I wanted to talk to you about the actual connection itself. The connection goes over the ear. If you guys can see, it has a little plug, 2-pin plug, which you guys can see, plug it in. And make sure it says R on one side and left on the other side. Just make sure you properly hook it up to the right ear. All right, and now they do have different sizes for different types of ears. Look at the design of it. All right, and it has an extra security here, so in case you pull it off or something happens, you could always, protect it. Now this one has noise cancellation. It has high quality. We're going to take a look at the actual system. It's a digital connection. We're going to just try to test it out to see how good they are and how good they sound. All right. Now, what I see a lot of artists use this for their sound. All right. And these are high quality, and it kind of blocks everything out, and it keeps the noise out and the music in. So we're going to test them out by seeing how high quality they are. I'm going to test out the 2 cameras just so you can see the actual audio input. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out and see how it sounds. We're going to put a microphone in an ear. It's shaped for human ears, so this is how we're going to test our microphones, pretty much our sound quality, our headsets, and anything you buy. We're going to see how good the quality is when you're actually playing some music, right? So for that example, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. The microphone is built into a silicone ear. So let's go ahead and test the headsets and see how they will sound. All right, so I have dual microphones. This microphone here is going to be getting the audio out of here. I'm going to mute my mic.
Very graceful.
No, but very efficient. What are you waiting for?
Left front. Right front. Center. Left side surround. Right side surround. Left rear. Right rear. Left front height. Right front height. Left rear height. Right rear height.
Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. I'm trying to talk into the ear with the ear muff. See how muffled it sounds. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. I want to see the noise cancellation. If we could cover it, make sure the ear is plugged. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. All right. Overall, these things are really good. They're a little heavier because they're made of metal on the top, but they're very protective. These are perfect if you're going to go jogging, running, or everyday use, or if you're going to be in a concert and you're the main attraction, you want to listen to your audio background, this is a perfect. It's going to cancel out everything around you because it clogs everything completely. And you can see the circuits on the actual system, how it works. But the audio quality is outstanding, and I just demoed it through here where our digital ear that automatically picks up the audio, so you guys could hear it for her firsthand. Sometimes when you're reviewing headphones like this, it's hard to show people or how they sound because you don't have something, but luckily we're transmitting through here so you guys could hear the quality of it. So these beautiful. Let's see how they look on my ear. All right, the only problem I ran into is that you do tangle them because of the actual connection. If you guys can see, just try to avoid that as much as you can, and they're gonna last you quite a while. So that's the only thing I recommend you. When you're traveling, you could disconnect them, but often disconnecting them you might bend the pins, so be careful about that. But look at this, they tell you which one's which. Quality of it goes in your ear, over the head kind of thing, like over the ear, discreet with the actual headphones, so you don't see the line coming out from anywhere. And we have them. You guys can see. I can't even hear anything, to be honest with you. It's blocking out everything on my ear. But they sound fantastic when you hear the music for your first hand. So, very simple to install, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.